Many people think Russian cases are scary, but actually, you already understand them. Look, Vika. Это Вика. Я жду Вику. У Вики есть кот. See? Same name, different forms. Вика, Вику, у Вики. And that's what we call cases. That's how Russian works. In English, words don't change much. But in Russian, they do. But don't worry, you don't need to memorize everything. And definitely not all cases at once. You just need to understand one idea. In Russian, the same word can look different. Just start noticing patterns. Don't think about rules. Just follow the pattern. Now, let's look again. Это Вика. Я жду Вику. У Вики есть кот. Same name, but it changes in the phrase. Вика, Вику, у Вики. Now, let's try this. Я ем рыба. Does it sound right? Listen. Я ем рыбу. Now, look at this. Рыба, рыбу. See the pattern here? Here, а changes to у. Это рыба. Я ем рыбу. See? Рыба, рыбу. А to у. Now, let's try this. Катя любит кот. Does that sound correct? Listen. Катя любит кота. Кот, кота. See? We just add а. Кот, кота. Катя любит кота. But look, Катя любит салат. Same structure, but no change. If it's a person or an animal, it changes. If it's a thing, stay the same. Let's look again. Катя любит кота. But Катя любит салат. You don't need to memorize this. You'll start feeling it. Let's look at one more example. Я ищу друга, but я ищу top. Друг is a person. It changes. Друг, друга. Я ищу друга. Друг, друга. But top is a thing, so it doesn't change. Я ищу топ. Let's look at one more pattern, like Katya's friend or Anya's mom. Друг Кати. See, the name changes again. Katya Кати. Я to и. Друг Кати. Katya Кати. Another example. Mama Ани. The same changes. Аня Ани. Mama Ани. Now let's practice Vanya's friend, a female friend. Подруга Ваня. Listen. Подруга Вани. Same thing. The name changes. Ваня Вани. One more example. Папа Таня. That's right. Папа Тани. The same pattern here. Таня Тани. Папа Тани. See? You already understand how this works. And the more you see these patterns, the easier it becomes. You don't need to memorize rules. You just need to see it again and again. And that's exactly why I make my mini stories here on YouTube. Because in these videos, you hear the same patterns again and again. They are short, fun, and easy to understand. And they are completely free. So if you want to really understand cases, go watch my mini stories on my channel. You'll start to feel what sounds right, not by memorizing, but by listening. I've put the link in the description. Start with the first one. And if you want to sound more natural in Russian, I'm also creating a full pronunciation course. You'll practice with me, get personal feedback, and learn how to actually sound Russian. You can join the waitlist. The link is in the description. You'll get early access and the lowest price. But for now, just keep watching, keep listening, and keep noticing the patterns. See you in the next one. Bye. Пока.